Okay guys, welcome back here. This is Verified Drops. We are here again with another airdrop from the LT2E. Like this airdrop, I just got to see this recently and I'm about to share it with you guys. So you come over to your Chrome browser, you enter the site, like the link, the referral link, enter, then you see it loads and it says get started, launch app. So we have to launch app now. It says enter your ETH address. We go over to our Trustwallet, then we go over here to our ETH address, we copy, then we'll go over here, we'll paste, then you enter app. So you see, ask your question to LTE. So let's ask a simple question to receive one like LTE token. Okay, so where is Obama from? So for each question, you will receive one LTE token to your balance. You see, Barack Obama was born in Honolulu, Hawaii, United States. So you see, like it's also like the chat GPT that you use in asking questions, you do a lot of research on. This is also like it's the LT2E, like it's awesome. You can ask any question, yeah, and as you're asking question, you receive one LTE token to your balance. And that's it. Like it's really cool, it's awesome. You check your wallet balance, you come here, let's check our wallet balance here. You see one LTE $0.01. So like you draw your balance, buy LTE tokens, Telegram community, Telegram channel. So you join their Telegram community, you join the Telegram channel if you want. Let me join the Telegram channel. Okay, so you see I joined the Telegram channel, join. You see I'm joined, get answers to your question. I've joined the community, so I joined the channel too. So I joined this also. So I go back here, you see I joined the Twitter handle and all withdraw balance, buy LTE tokens and my balance. So let me ask another question and show you that the thing keeps increasing as you're asking questions. What's the largest country in America? Okay, so you see it's Canada. So let's go back here. You see it has increased. I have 2 LTE tokens now, and that's $0.02. And as I keep asking questions, I keep getting this, and as I keep referring, I keep increasing my LTE token, and that's it. Like that, don't you think this is awesome? Like you guys should just check this out, participate in this. I'll be dropping the referral link in the description section so you guys can participate in this. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any question for us, let us know in the comment section below, and if you have any suggestions for us, also let us know in the comment section below. Until next time guys, peace. And lest I forget, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. And if this is your first time watching our video, you are welcome, you are very welcome. Go check our previous videos and participate in those airdrops and make the best of it. This year is a beautiful year for us.